Hello, and thank you for checking out CMDC's online learning website, LearnMasonry.ca. I just want to quickly take a few minutes just to show you how you actually go through the process of ordering a course, how it works if you don't have an account already. And basically, I'm going to go through and do an order right now so you can see how the process works, and hopefully that clears up any questions or confusion you might have going through the process. So first of all, when you go to LearnMasonry.ca, this is what you'll see. So this is our website. If I scroll down here, you can see there's different options for basically telling you what it's about. You can go straight to a list of courses just for contractors or for engineers. But I'm going to start by clicking on the course item here at the top menu. So this page here shows me the different courses that we have available. Just to demonstrate, I'm going to show how to sign up for the EMDC or Engineered Masonry Design course. This is a course that we run for engineers in particular. So I'm going to select this course and be taken to the page where we can add it to our cart and purchase it. So this is the product page. This is where you see there's the option to add it to cart. We have some more information on it. You can look at the different pictures we have for the course there as well as some instructions. But what we want to do is add this to our cart. You'll notice that I haven't logged in yet, and in this example I'm showing how the process works if you are just signing up for the first time. You can register for an account before going through this process, but it's actually easier if you just go ahead and in the process of purchasing a course, sign up at that time. You'll see how it works in a second. So I'm going to start by just clicking on Add to Cart. So I click on this here and you'll see it'll say it has been added to your cart, the option to view cart. We also have this little icon up at the top, so this little shopping bag, you'll see there's a 1 next to it, and when I hover over it, it shows us what we have there. So I'm going to click on view cart, and this will show, basically this is your chance to make sure that you have what you meant to order. And if you have a coupon code, for example, if you are an OMCA professional member, there's an additional discount for this course that you can take advantage of. If you are a member, you can contact our office and get that coupon code. Otherwise, you just want to proceed to checkout. So I'm going to click on that. So this is our checkout page. You'll see there's a reminder here. If you already have an account, you may want to click there, log into your account. Otherwise, we'll just continue doing what we're doing already. If you have that coupon code, there's a reminder again. You can click there to enter it in just in case. Okay, so now I'm going to start entering in my information. So just for this example, I'm going to put my information, Brad, company name, so Canada Masonry Design Center. I'm going to go through and just put in my address quickly here. So 360 Superior Boulevard, because I live here at the office. Find our province here. So that you're going to be doing the exact same thing here. 217. Now the email address, this is really important. You need to use an email address that you are looking to use for actual course correspondence. So if someone is purchasing this course for you, or if you're purchasing it for someone else, the email address used is the one that you're going to want to use for the person who is going to be taking the course and accessing on a regular basis. So I'm going to put my personal email account there, and then I can create an account password. So I'm going to make a password right now. And when I go through the process of purchasing this course, what's going to happen is the website is automatically going to create an account under this email and password with all my other information saved. I'm going to have access to the course through that account. There's a section here for additional information. Let's say if you have any dietary restrictions, just as an example, since we do provide meals with the EMDC registration, this is a good place to let us know. Otherwise, you can just send us an email. So now I'm going to put in my card information. I just want to ask everyone right now just to close your eyes for this portion of the video while I enter this in. I don't want my credit card information getting out there in the wild. So I'm just going to enter in my information here. I'm just kidding. This isn't actually my credit card information. It's my mom's. Okay, so there's a checkbox. I've agreed to the terms and conditions, and at this point, with all of my information entered in, I can click place order, and fingers crossed, my order should go through. Perfect. So now we have completed our order. So this is the checkout page. You'll see, thank you, your order has been received. At this point, you can see a summary of what we've ordered. the cost breakdown. You will also be sent an email with a receipt breaking this down as well for your own records. And so at this point, you're now signed up for the course, and you'll notice actually that the menu items at the top have changed. So it used to say log in, now it says log out, and there's a My Account page. That's because we have now been logged in using that account, password, and email that we created. So if I click on My Account right now, this will take you to the profile page. This is where everything gets saved. So we have our own personal dashboard. If I click on orders, just as an example, it will show our order that we did just right now. So you can see this is the item that we ordered. And so you can even view more details. And then if I scroll down, I can see all the courses that I've enrolled in. And then as you complete courses, you can earn certificates. So for the EMDC, we've signed up for it. And so now I can actually, if I click on see more, this will take us to the actual course page. So now we're ready to get started on the EMDC course. If you have any questions about contacting us, at any point, there's this little icon here with the 3 lines. If you click on it, you can enter in your name and email and send us a message, and this will go directly to us. So if you have any questions about anything on any of the pages when you're on this website, it's a quick way just to send us a message. Alternatively, we do encourage people just to give us a call. It's probably the quickest way, as long as it's during business hours, to get a hold of us. So with that, this is the process of how you go through, how we added a course to our cart, entered in our information, created an account, and we're able to go through and check out. The only thing that's different if you have an account is it won't ask you to make a password. You'll already be logged in, so we will already have that information. And just in case you're a little squeamish about security or things like that, we don't handle any of that financial data ourselves. That's handled by a third party. We use the company Stripe. It's one of the major, similar to PayPal, merchants that you can use for websites. So we don't actually see any of your credit card details. That gets handled by them. They handle the payments, and then they give us a confirmation, just in case you have any issues with that. So with that, thanks for watching. If you have any other suggestions for videos or anything else that you have an issue with, please don't hesitate to contact me or anyone in our office, and we are more than happy to help. Thank you.